Hi guys. Just say hi.
Hey.
I'm a Canadian. I respect my country. What do you mean hot? You don't like it?
I want to smoke.
They ask me question. Why
You
you are
stay-
not Tibetan? See?
Why
you
not-
are not Tibetan? Because I'm not. I'm not.
You were you are.
I wanna be, but I'm not. I'm sorry.
Exactly.
I wanna be. I want to be, but I'm
Exactly.
not. But I respect my country, Canada. This is my country, and I love my country. That's it. Okay? Thank you, guys. See? Never forget what? Where are you going?
I smoke.
Just listen. You don't have to. Don't show me like.
Okay.
You know you're getting bad. Okay.
What are they
Okay.
saying? What are they saying?
See, never forget where you came from, lo. Yes, I came from Tibet, but I was grew up in Canada. That's not a big deal.
Sure.
That's not a big deal. I love my country, Canada. Oh, Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Yeah. The natural blend. Yeah, that is really true. Because everything. Okay, today what happens? Nothing happens. It's about me. Just love. Even you do not know popularly speak Tibetan language. Me too. Tibetan won't drunk beer, lo. I'm sorry. That's a shit. That's a shit thing.
What?
They say Tibetan people are not drunk. Really, truth? I really don't know. My family never teach me. You know one thing? Okay,